The best home loan product on the planet got better on January 1st. January 1st, the Blue Water Navy Act began. And the big thing there is the max no money down limit, which was tied to the county loan limit, has been lifted if you don't have any entitlement used. So in Oahu, the max no money down, or the county loan limit, is $765,600. Well, if you've never used your entitlement, there is no cap. You can go up to $2 million and sometimes even beyond $2 million with no down payment if you income and credit qualify.
Wait, so you're saying that my client can buy a property of $2 million with no money down, like 0% down payment?
No money down, that is absolutely correct. And in Oahu especially, this new rule has been a game changer, especially if you are a senior enlisted or an officer or dual military, and you have the income to qualify for a bigger home. And say you have a bigger family, maybe a 3-bedroom home isn't going to cut it. You want a 4 or 5-bedroom home, which puts you in that amount above the county loan limit.
Wow. So what about the funding fee?
So the funding fee went up this year for active duty or prior service. It went up from 2.15 to 2.3%. However, if you have 10% or more disability, you don't have to pay that funding fee. And as of January 1st, the new rule that came in effect is if you are a Purple Heart recipient, you do not have to pay the funding fee.
That is awesome.
That is great.